Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are well. Today we have met online after a long time and we will continue to meet online for some time. So welcome to all of you in our very first video lecture. Today we are going to discuss about our first chapter, that is sources of history, right? So before, you are not studied the social science as a particular subject. It is a part of your EVS subject, but in 6th standard you have a specialized subject, that is social science, and the first chapter is sources of history. So in that we start with the introduction part, right? In introduction part we will discuss about that what is actually history. We will try to understand the meaning of history. After that we will discuss about the sources. That is, what is the chapter name? We will discuss about the different kind of sources through which we understand the history. That is sources of history. After that we will do some activity. In that activity, which is based on sources of history, sources of history, we will do some activity. You need very few materials for that activity, and it is available at your home. You don't need to go outside your home. All the material will available at your home. We will do some activity based on that. After that we will discuss about the Millennium Gallery. You will aware with the word gallery, right? What is gallery? Which is the collection of photos, or which saves our photo. Same way, Millennium Gallery, it is also a collection of photos. It is also a collection of photos, but it is related with the history. That means it is the collection of photos which is related to history. So we will discuss about that also, how it will made and when it will made. Then we will discuss about the Tadpatra and Bhojpatra. This is also a sources of history, one of the kind of sources which is based on writing things, and how it is writing done. We will discuss about that also. Then we will discuss about the record in stone. Record, but it is made on stone. It is also a based on writing source of history. Then we will discuss about the different kinds of vessels which are used on ancient time, through which it will give us an important information about the history. Then we will discuss about the different kinds of ornaments and tools. So these all last three things, that is Tadpatra, Bhojpatra, record in stone inscription, vessel, ornaments and tool, which is ultimately a source which gives us an information about the history. So we will discuss all these points in a chapter. So let's start with the introduction part. Okay. So as you can see, in our introduction part, you need to understand the first meaning of the word history, that what is actually a history, and then we discuss about the historical sources, right? So in everyday morning you receive a newspaper, right? Which aware with the daily event and incident. But what happened after some time, that event become a past. We need to recall the date and time, and we need to see some photographs to aware with that incident. So that newspaper help us to know our history, right? So as you can say, or as you now be able to understand that what is history. History is a kind of science. Yes, it is a kind of science. From the subject name, it is a social science, right? It is a science, but through which we get an information about the past event, right? We get the information about the important events that is happen in past. So we can define the history in few lines or in few words as like, it is a science through we understand past events, right? So history is what? Through we get the information about the past event, or through we understand the past event, that what happened before the so many years ago, right? Then next is what is historical sources, that how we are able, that what happened before the so many years ago, that we can get from the sources, right? If we want to describe something or we need to understand something, we need some sources, right? We need some evidence, then and then we can say that these things will happen, or that things will happen before the years ago. Historical sources. So sources is something what through which we get some information, right? So same way historical sources is what which contain important information about history, right? And same way it gives an information at our very basic level. Yes, it gives an information at very basic level, and it also gives an important information about the history. Now in the next painting we will discuss about some of the very important historical sources through which we get the important information, right? So let's take a look of that painting.
Now, as you can see, one painting over here which shows us the different kind of sources of history, right? Over here, you can see one stamp, right? You can see a sail. You can see some of the utensil which the people are using in ancient time. You can see some of the vessel. You can see an idol. You can see various other tools, right? Which gives us information about our history. Whenever we need to understand our history, we need to understand these sources properly, right?
Now, as you can see over here, I make a list of some of the sources which give us an important information about the history that we already seen in that painting, right? We see that the stamp which gives an important information, an idol, a seal, utensil that the people are using in ancient time, some of the vessel, we also seen that in that painting, various other tools which are made from the stone or other material. Then the fort, old structure or old building, that is also give us an important information about the history, old temple, then stepwell. So these are all the sources of history through we get the important information about it, right? Okay. Now, as you can see, one question over here. Today we discuss the introduction part of our very first chapter, that is sources of history. In that we discuss the meaning of history, we discuss about the sources of history, how these sources are helpful to us to understand our history properly, right? Wherever we need to understand our present situation, we need to understand our past properly, right? So over here today you need to find the answer of this question, that is list the sources of history, that is already we covered in this video. First of all, you need to write the chapter name in your notebook with the date. You have to write the questions and also you have to write the answer. In our next video we will discuss about the answer of these questions, right? So till then, good luck children. See you. Take care. Thank you.